I don't know. It just kind of smells like dinner to me in here. It doesn't smell like a bakery. It's Rob and Liz, this morning crew on His Radio, as we present to you every Thursday at 7:10, Lizz's Ugly Bakery. It might not look pretty, but it tastes great.
Yeah, I'm hoping. I've never made one of these before. This is a medieval picnic pie.
Oh.
Yeah, and it's meant to be able to just, pack it in your little picnic basket and take it out. So you can eat it cold, which is what you and Ian have, Rob, is cold.
Okay,
cold
so
pie.
Ian, by the way, Ian and TJ are our video producers, and they'll be tasting Liz's Ugly Bakery dish, this, what'd you call it, a mince pie?
No, it's like a medieval chicken and pork picnic pie.
A picnic pie.
Yeah, and I'm calling it medieval because that's kind of where the tradition started.
Okay.
Was way back in the day. So let me tell you what's in it because it sounds delicious. But there's garlic, onions, chicken, sausage, bacon, basil, and parsley. Of course, you've got breadcrumbs to kind of hold everything together.
I have to apologize.
Did you drop it? What'd you do?
No, I feel like I broke mine.
No, I think I broke it when I
broke mine.
It fell apart.
Sorry.
I have what they call in the British baking world a soggy bottom. So that's what they call it.
I got a sagging one, but that's another story. So how does all this taste?
Go ahead. Who's trying? All right.
Okay, looks like Ian's already chowing.
Yep.
So give us the verdict, Ian.
Does it need to be warmed up?
I think it needs to be kept away from me because I'm going to take the entire thing.
He likes it.
It's really good.
Ian, he likes it.
It is perfect because I hardly ever get to have breakfast. So, coming in. So, I'm having a breakfast and a bakery at the same time. So
Wow,
I consider this an
look
absolute
at that.
I'm excited.
Okay, but wait. There's more. There's
You
TJ.
said it's got turkey in it?
Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken's a little dry, but
all right, Gordon Ramsay. My
it's not bad.
Let me see.
This chicken's a little dry.
It's actually not dry. It's not too bad.
Mine is.
No, you heated yours in
Okay.
a microwave.
Yeah. Do you have anything good to say about it?
I like the corn.
Okay.
Okay.
Which was frozen and in a bag, and I had nothing to do with it.
Hey, so I'm eating mine cold,
Okay.
and it's good. I've only had like 2 little bites, but it's good.
See?
Yeah.
I forgot it does have a little corn in it, but and the great thing I think about this recipe is you can mix it up if you want to put cheese in it, if you want to put some other vegetable in it. They call it veg.
Okay, so
meat
you
and
called it
veg.
a picnic pie.
A picnic pie, so that
picnic
you
pie.
can take it on a picnic. You can cut a slice, and instead of a sandwich, they can have this.
Very nice. Pie and other stuff all wrapped up in one.
Right? I mean, bacon, it's got to be good,
So
other than dry chicken.
Go to the website, hisradio.com, click on Rob and Liz. You will see the recipe and Liz's Ugly Bakery right there. That's at hisradio.com.